The Bollywood rhythm and Thai serenade, a bridge of art, a masterpiece made. The scent of jasmine, a shared perfume, dispelling shadows, banishing gloom. A spiritual journey side by side, with faith as the current and hope as the tide. Across the bay, the spirits meet, with every drum and rhythm's beat. A song of peace, a common sound, where India and Thailand are forever bound. Ta la khu e khak khu cứ khuen bay, mang muang khu en fet cha hong chai. Nai ngan tat sakan rung ra tuan pri, chit wing yan rong kan chok chata di ao kan mi. Itihaskan richa umang paripara, Bharat or Thailand sadai raho swatantra hamara. Across the bay, the spirits meet, with every drum and rhythm's beat. A song of peace, a common sound, where India and Thailand are forever bound. Crew and bay, mamuang crew and fet cha hong chai. Nai ngan tat sakan rung run tuan pri, chit wing yan ruam kan chok chata di ao kan mi. Itihaskan richa umang varidara, Bharat or Thailand sadayo hong swatantra hamara. Across the sacred rivers flowing to the sea, Thailand and India, bound in destiny. In every prayer, in every timeless song, we find each other where our hearts belong. Beneath the same moon, our hearts reside. Across the distance, there's nothing to hide. I feel your joy, I understand your sorrow. We share the same hopes for a better tomorrow. This connection we feel is a sacred art. Two loving nations with a single heart. Across the bay, the spirits meet, with every drum and rhythm's beat. A song of peace, a common sound, where India and Thailand are forever bound. There's a whisper on the eastern breeze that speaks of ancient shared decrees. It's not just history, not just a song, it's a feeling of home where we both belong.